The natural world is vast and intricate, filled with phenomena that can inspire awe and curiosity. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, our planet is home to an incredible diversity of life forms. This diversity is not random. Rather, it is a result of millions of years of evolution, natural selection, and environmental adaptation. Nature is also characterized by its interconnected systems. Ecosystems consist of living organisms interacting with their physical environments. These ecosystems range from the oceans, which cover more than 70% of Earth's surface, to deserts and rainforests, each with its unique characteristics and inhabitants. One of the most fascinating aspects of nature is its ability to sustain life through complex cycles. For example, the water cycle, which involves processes such as evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, ensures that water is continuously recycled and available for all living beings. Similarly, the carbon cycle helps regulate the Earth's climate and supports plant growth through photosynthesis. Plants convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is essential for the survival of animals, including humans. Habitats are another integral component of nature. They provide the necessary conditions for different species to thrive. However, these bi'atan tabi'iyatan bishaklin mutazayidin under threat from human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial in protecting these habitats and ensuring the survival of the many species that rely on them. Biodiversity is a measure of the variety of life in a particular ecosystem and is an indicator of the health of that ecosystem. Understanding and appreciating the intricacies of nature can inspire efforts to protect and preserve our environment for future generations.